morning students. Today we are going to start with chapter 2nd polynomial, question number 6, exercise 2.5. Now the question number 6 is write the following cubes in expanded form. The question is 2x plus 1 ka whole cube. This is 1. This is 2x plus 1 ka whole cube. Now we have to write this in expanded form. So before writing this, I have to use this identity a plus b ka whole cube. Now what is the identity of this a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity which I am going to use here. Now what is my a? A is 2x. A क्या है मेरा? It's 2x. Now what is b? B is 1. I think it is very much clear. A is 2x and b is 1. Now I have to expand this 2x plus 1 का whole cube. A की जगह पे a cube. Now it becomes 2x का whole cube. B की जगह पे 1 का whole cube plus 3ab. 3ab. Now what is a? A is 2x. What is b? B is 1 into a plus b. That is 2x plus 1. Now we have to expand it. 2x ka whole cube, that means 8x cube. 2 ka cube, 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 2s are 6x into 2x plus 1. Now how can I write this? 8x cube plus 1. 6 2s are 12x square plus 6x. This is the expanded form of 2x plus 1 ka whole cube. Now it can be also written as 8x cube. Now you can write plus 12x square. Now you can write plus 6x and plus 1. Your answer is, both the answers are correct. You can arrange in order, descending order of variable, highest degree 3, 2, 1 and constant. Otherwise this much is also okay. Now moving towards the second part. The very important thing is that you have to learn the identities a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. In second part we are going to use the identity a minus b whole cube. That is, the second part is 2a minus 3b ka whole cube. Now here I am going to write the identity for the negative one, a minus b whole cube. Now what is the identity for a minus whole cube? That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. In case of negative, all the terms are negative, and in case of positive, all the terms are positive. Now what is my a? This is my identity, so I am going to block this so that you can see which identity I am going to use. That is a minus b whole cube. Now what is my a? A क्या है मेरा? 2a. What is my b? B is 3b. ठीक है, अब आपको ये समझ आ गया कि हम कैसे a और b निकालते हैं. Now I have to write this in expanded form. It is like a cube 2a का whole cube minus b 3b का whole cube minus 3ab. What is a? A is 2a. What is b? B is 3b. Now a minus 3b. Now I am going to expand it. 2 का cube 8a cube minus 3 का cube 27b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18ab into 2a minus 3b. Again it can be expanded. 8a cube minus 27b cube, 18 2s are 36, a square b. Now minus minus plus, 18 3s are 54, ab square. Hope so this is clear to you. Now moving towards the third part. Now the third part is 3 by 2x plus 1 ka whole cube. Now student, here the Positive is used. Now I am going to use a plus b whole cube. Now what is a plus b whole cube? It's a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity which I am going to use in the expansion of this cube. Now what is a? A is 3 by 2x. Now what is my b? B is 1. Now how to expand this? See? Now I am going to expand this. My a is 3 by 2x ka whole cube plus b plus 3ab into a plus b. Now what is a? A is 3 by 2x. This is 1. 3 by 2x plus 1. Now it can be written as 27 upon 8 because 3 ka cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 ka cube 8, it is x cube plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9 by 2 into x into 3 by 2 x plus 1. We have to again open it. This is 27 by 8x cube plus 1 plus, अब देखिए 9 3s are 27 upon 4x square plus 9 by 2 into x. This is my answer. Now moving towards the fourth part. These questions are very simple, but the important thing is that you have to remember all the identities of this chapter. Now the next part is, that is fourth part. It's x minus 2 by 3 y ka whole cube. Now a minus b ka whole cube. I can write the identity like this. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is my identity. Now what is a? A is x. What is my b? B is 2 by 3y. So it can be written like this, 2 by 3y ka whole cube. What is a? A is x cube. B is 2 by 3y ka whole cube minus 3ab. What is a? A is x. What is b? B is 2 by 3y. And what is a? X minus 2 by 3y. Now we have to expand this. This is a cube minus 2 ka cube 8, 3 ka cube 27 y cube minus 3 2s are 6 xy. 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So it becomes only 2xy and under x minus 2 by 3y. Now I can write like this, x cube minus 8 upon 27 y cube minus, this can be written as 2x square y minus minus plus. Now 2 2s are 4 xy square upon 3. Hope so this part is also clear to you. Now this question 6 is complete. We are moving towards the question number 7. Now moving towards question number 7. Question number 7 is evaluate the following by using suitable identities. Now here 99 ka whole cube, it can be written as 100 minus 1 ka whole cube. Now students, here I am going to use a minus b ka whole cube. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the identity which I am going to apply here. Now what is my a? A is my 100. What is my b? B is my 1. A is my 100, b is my 1. Now 100 minus 1 ka whole cube, that can be written as a cube. 100 ka cube minus b cube. 1 ka cube minus 300 into 1 into 100 minus 1. Now this can be written as 1. ये आ जाएगा, क्यूब करेंगे जब 100 का तो 6 times 0 आ जाएगा. Now 1 minus 300 and it can be written as 99. 100 minus 1 is 99. Now this can be written as 6 times 0 minus 1. It can be written as 327, 28, 29 and 00. Now this can be written as minus 29701. अब हम इसको माइनस कर लेंगे. तो ये हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा देखिए 29700 नहीं 1 माइनस कर लीजिए, 10 में से 1 गया 9, यहाँ पे 9, 9 में से 7 गए 2, 9 में से 9 गए 0, 9 में से 2 गए 7 और 9। तो आंसर इज 97299। तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 970299 इज माई आंसर। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, 102 का होल क्यूब। नाउ स्टूडेंट 102 का होल क्यूब दैट कैन बी रिटन एज 100 plus 2 का whole cube. Here I am going to use the identity a plus b whole cube again. That is a cube plus b cube minus 3ab into plus a plus b. This is my identity. I am going to block this. Now this can be written as a cube 100 का cube, b cube 2 का cube plus 3ab. It's 300 into 2 into a plus b. Now this can be written as 6 times 0. This can be written as 8. This is 600. This is 102. Now add all these terms. 6 times 0 plus 8 plus this can be written as 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, like this. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, अब नाउ हम इन सबको ऐड कर देते हैं। तो क्या आ जाएगा 8 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, फिर 0 आ जाएगा, फिर 2 आ जाएगा, फिर 1 आ जाएगा, फिर 6 आ जाएगा, 0 1। दिस इज माय आंसर। हमने क्या किया, इन सबको ऐड ऑन कर दिया, तो वी विल गेट दिस थिंग। ठीक है स्टूडेंट, तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द पार्ट 3। द थर्ड पार्ट इज 998 का होल क्यूब। का होल क्यूब। Now this can be written as very simple. It's 1000 minus 2 का होल क्यूब। हमने क्या लिखा 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2 का होल क्यूब। Now again I am going to use identity a minus b का होल क्यूब. This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So this is the identity. Here I am going to apply this. Now 100,000 minus 2 can be written as, this can be expanded as 1000 का cube minus 2 का cube minus 3a is your 1000, b is your 2 and this is 1000 minus 2. Now it can be written as, देखिए इसको लिख सकते हैं 1 2 3। अब इसको मुझे क्यूब करना था तो मैंने इसको, ये कितने टाइम्स आ जाएंगे 9 टाइम्स 0 आ जाएंगे, ठीक है। नाउ 2 का क्यूब कितना हो गया 8 हो गया। नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 3 2s are 6, 6000 हो गया। नाउ दिस बिकम्स 998। नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस। ठीक है, अब ये आ जाएगा मेरे पास, इसको कर देते हैं 6 8s are 48 का 4, 6 9s are 54, 54 और 8 का 5, 6 9s are 54 और 5, 54 और 5 59 और 1 2 3। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम इसको सॉल्व कर देंगे। तो मैं चेक कर लेती हूँ कितना आ जाएगा। ये आपके पास आ जाएगा 6 8s are 48। नाउ इसको हम लिखेंगे ठीक है। तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 99401199 इसका आंसर। होप सो दिस पार्ट इज क्लियर। नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। Now moving towards question number 8. Question number 8 is factorize the following. Part 1 is 8a cube plus b cube प्लस 12a² प्लस 6ab²। तो स्टूडेंट आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा कि ये किसकी एक्सपेंशन है। दिस इज a³ प्लस 3a² प्लस 3ab²। नाउ इट कैन बी रिटन एज 8a³ कैन बी रिटन एज 2a⁴। नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज b⁴। देखिए हमने 8a को कैसे लिखा, हाउ टू राइट 8a। 8a कैन बी रिटन एज 2a⁴। वाई? बिकॉज 2 का क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 8 एंड a³ इज a³। नाउ b³, नाउ आई नो दैट 3ab इंटू a प्लस b। अब देखिए हम यहाँ पे इसको आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट इंटू आइडेंटिटी। नाउ दिस इज a, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज माई a, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज माई b। ठीक है, तो a³ प्लस b³ प्लस 3ab, यहाँ क्या आना चाहिए? 3ab। तो a क्या है मेरा? 2a, आई कैन राइट 2a एंड व्हाट इज माई b? b इज b। नाउ 2a प्लस b। अब देखिए, अब इसको ओपन अप करके देखते हैं कि क्या मुझे ये टर्म्स मिलती हैं कि नहीं वापस। लेट अस चेक। 3 2 6, 6ab इंटू 2, 6 2 12, a²b। तो हेयर जब मैं इन तीनों को, इसको पूरे को सॉल्व करती हूँ तो मुझे क्या मिलता है? 12a²b। अब देखिए, अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसको चेक करती हूँ। 3 2 6ab इंटू b, तो क्या मिल जाएगा? जब मैं इसको और इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी तो आई विल गेट 6ab²। इसका मतलब इन सब की एक्सपेंशन क्या है? ये जो मैंने ऊपर लिखा है वो इसी की एक्सपेंशन है। जब मैं इसको ओपन करूंगी तो मुझे ये मिलेगा। लेकिन ये क्या बन गया? देखिए ये मेरे पास क्या बन गया? एक आइडेंटिटी फॉर्म में आ गया। a³ प्लस b³ प्लस 3ab इंटू a प्लस b। नाउ आई नो what is the identity of this? This is identity of a प्लस b का होल क्यूब। a क्या है? 2a, b क्या है? b। सिर्फ मुझे इस क्वेश्चन में क्या ढूंढना है? a और b। What is my a and b? तो a is 2a and b is b. Now it can be written as a plus b का whole cube. I can write 3 times 2a plus b, 2a plus b and 2a plus b. Why? Because my question is factorize. You have to factorize and I cannot leave my question up to here because might be 0.5 marks should be deducted. So I can write the 3 times. Okay students? So this is the question. Now moving towards the second part. Second part is 8a³ minus b³ minus 12a²b plus 6ab². Students, this is exactly similar to the first part, but the difference is the sign. So here it can be written as 2a का whole cube. This can be written as b का whole cube. Sorry, minus आएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है, because minus sign is here. Minus 3ab into a minus b. Now what is my a? A is my 2a, so I can write it here 2a. What is my b? B is b, and I can write a minus b. जब मैं इसको सॉल्व करूंगी, दैट मीन्स 3 2 6ab इंटू 2, 6 2 12 a²b। आई विल गेट दिस टर्म। अब देखिए माइनस माइनस प्लस, 3 2 6 6 ab इंटू b इज ab²। सो व्हेन दिस टर्म इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस आई विल गेट 6ab²। दैट मीन्स कि हमने यहाँ से आई कैन राइट दिस थिंग लाइक दिस। नाउ this is the expansion of a minus b का whole cube and it can be written as 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. So hope so this is very simple. The important thing is that you have to identify what is your a and what is your b. If you are able to identify what is your a and b, you can easily solve it. Now moving towards the third part. Third part is 27 minus 125a³ minus 135a plus 225a². Now student, can you tell what is the a? Yes, it is 27 and 27 is the cube of 3. Very right. This is the cube of 3. Now 125 is cube of a. Now it can be written as 5a का whole cube. Now I said 3 B A, ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. What is your A? A is 3. What is your B? B is 5A. And here A minus B, 3 minus 5A. No need to worry कि यहाँ 135 है, 225 है. What should I take common? No, nothing. A B A cube B cube minus 3. यहाँ पे A लिखना है, यहाँ पे B लिखना है, यहाँ पे A minus B. And let us check. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 3s are 135 into A. Here it is. Minus minus plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 5 is 225 A square. So this can be written as 3 minus 5A ka whole cube. And it can be written, when I factorize this, it can be written like 3 times like this. Hope so this part is clear. These parts are very simple. The only thing is that you have to identify what is your A and B. Once you identify what is your A and B, you can write in the form of A minus B ka whole cube. Now the fourth part is 64A cube minus 27B cube minus 144A square B plus 108AB square. Now the very simple way, 64. So 64 is the cube of 4A ka whole cube. Now 27, it's 3B ka whole cube. Now it's 3A B A minus B. What is my A? A is 4A. What is my B? B is 3B. And it can be written as 4A minus 3B. Now you can multiply 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 4s are 144. ठीक है. Now minus minus plus, इधर आ गया 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are 108. ठीक है. तो now it can be the written as, ये किसकी expanded form है? 4A minus 3B का whole cube. Now it can be written 3 times. 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B, 4A minus 3B. I think this is easily understandable how to solve these questions. Now moving towards the last part. Last part is in fraction. It looks difficult, but it is not difficult. Let us see how to solve the last part. That is the fifth part. Fifth part is 27P cube minus 1216 minus 9 upon 2P square plus 1 by 4P. Now student, 27P cube is the cube of 3P. Well, you all know that 3 can be multiplied 3 times, then it becomes 27. Now 216 is the cube of 1 by 6. Now it can be written as 1 by 6 का whole cube. ठीक है. Now 3AB into A minus B. Now what is my A? A is 3P. What is my B? B is 1 by 6. Now A minus B is 3 minus 1 by 6. 3P minus 1 by 6. Now if you solve it, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा ये? Let us check. देखिए, इसको काटेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 3 2s are, now 3 3s are 9, 9 upon 2. Here is 9 upon 2. Now if you multiply this, now 3 देखिए 3 2s are, यहाँ से कट गया 2 हो गया, यहाँ से 3 आ गया. Now 3 upon 6 2s are 12. तो यहाँ से और कट जाएगा, ये इसके साथ भी कट जाएगा, तो कितना आ गया? 1 upon 4. तो 1 upon 4P. तो आपको ये पता चलना चाहिए कि ये जो एक्सपेंशन है वो इसी की है. ठीक है. when you expand this, you will get these terms. So now this can be written as, this is the expanded form of this 3P minus 1 upon 6 का whole cube, and it can be written as 3 times. Hope so this question is also clear to you. Now moving towards the question number 9.